Hello friends, I recently bought an FZ1000 Panasonic camera. So this is the unboxing video, and before I start I would like to thank all my viewers to tuning into my channel and viewing this video, and also if I would request, can you please become my subscribers? I'm really looking for subscribers and promoting this channel. Thank you. There you go. This is the brand new Panasonic Lumix FZ1000. Let me show you on all the four sides. It's a 4K camera on a budget. I paid around $600 for this camera, and let's see what they have on all the four sides. And by the way, this is a bridge camera where you have a fixed lens and you cannot change or interchange the lens, but whatever lens they have provided is as per the reviews, is very amazing. So let's go ahead and open the box. So we have the camera software and drivers for Panasonic Lumix DMC FZ1000. So we keep that aside. We got some literature, technical warranty card. Keep that aside. We have the contents listed here. Let me see if I can focus on it. So it has a digital camera unit, a lens hood, a lens cap, a hot shoe cover, shoulder strap, battery pack, battery charger, cable, USB connection cable, DVD, which we have already seen, operating instructions and owner's manual, which we have already seen. So let's get the camera out. We'll keep this aside. Best thing for last. Let's see what accessories they have provided. So this is the camera charger that they were talking about. So let's take it out of the plastic. So keep it aside. This is the lens hood that they were talking about. So this is pretty solid. Nope, it is very well made and very sturdy. Not cheap plastic, very good make. Then we have the strap. We'll look into this later. We got the lithium-ion battery, if I'm correct. It's lithium-ion. It's 1200 mAh. Model number is DMW BLC12PP. Okay, cool. Does it have anything in here? No, it's made by Panasonic Corporation in China. Pretty basic stuff. The cap, the lens cap, which is a very essential item. I'm gonna keep the lens hood and the lens cap on when not in use. It's a very useful gadget to protect your lens. Okay, and let's see what we are still missing in the box. And cable, a USB cable. Let me see what ports they have provided. interesting. It looks like a micro USB, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it looks like a micro USB. Yeah, USB. I'll keep the box aside and keep the accessories aside. Now let's go for the hero of this unboxing, the actual camera. Here it goes. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. There you go. Look at the lens. It's so well made. Let me first show all the sides of the camera, and then we can discuss what they have provided in reality. Let me bring it a little close. Hope this is perfectly focused. Yep. Okay, let's go and discuss about each button. So this was the zoom and the focus button, or I guess, yeah, it's just a zoom, not the focus. Zoom, the record button, the function buttons, the on off switch, the mode dial. These are the microphone cutouts, which will capture sound if you're using the inbuilt microphone. You have the logo. You have another function button, AE lock, another function button, play, display, the rocker, four-way rocker, another function button. This one is mostly used to toggle in the menu that comes up on the screen when you turn it on. This one is where you can attach the external mic. It's a very welcome addition to this camera. A couple more settings for their exposure. I guess this opens the flash, the inbuilt flash. So you just put it down. Now this switch actually controls this ring, or it's for this ring. So if you put it on zoom and if you turn it around, it controls the zoom. If it put it on focus and you turn it around, it controls the focus. So this is the power on and off for the optical stabilizer. That's about it. Let's enjoy the camera one more time before. Oh, I forgot to show you this one. This is where you insert the camera and the SD card. And this is where the input output ports are, where HDMI, the micro USB, the remote. If I remember, there's one more in here. No. And let's turn this on. So this display turns both ways, if I know correctly. No, this way. Yeah, there you go. So you can turn it back into its place, or for protection's sake, just twist it back, turn it back on. So this looks like a very good camera, and the grip is perfect and the alignment is good. You can actually take photographs here, turn on the video. Let me eject the flash one more time. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let me zoom it in. There you go. Okay, so this is a pretty nice camera. As I told you, this is a bridge camera. Lenses are not interchangeable. So let me know how you like this video and leave your comments, ask me questions, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.